Welcome back to the Trading Code. It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another video. Guys, it's about 8:27 in the morning. As you guys know, I trade every stock market open. I let my bot run the whole night. I didn't do anything to it, didn't adjust it. I just let it run as it is. The News Blaster EA on futures, and I woke up to $3,000 in profit, guys. I cannot make this up. But now it's stock market open, and I know the market's about to go crazy. So let's just watch and see what happens. Okay, guys, so stock market open is crazy. As you guys can see, the balance is at 25K now. It took about 30 minutes for it to close this trade right here. It didn't take a trade on US 30 during stock market open because we was already in so many contracts on the gold. So it didn't take any trades, but we still closed with $2,000 stock market open. So even though gold has nothing to do with stocks, the volatility was there. So we made cheese, guys. So now it's officially $18,000 made in about 2 days. Bruh, this market is so crazy. Like, trading futures using this bot is so crazy. It's so fast. Like, if I get up and go do something for a little bit, I miss out like on what just happened. Like, literally, the bot just closed another $5,800. Let me see if you guys can see that. Boom, just like that. Like, now the account is at 31,000. 31,000 in less than 2 days. You guys can see gold has been selling and News Blaster has been selling as well. If it drops down again, we're gonna be in profit. And I just keep missing it. Honestly, I like when I don't watch it because I look back and it closes big profits for me. And I'm just like, what the hell right now? This shit is crazy. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Man, like I said in my last video, like I'm gonna add a few things just to make it more profitable and safe for everybody who uses it on futures. This is gonna be officially my first futures bot. So you know, I'm just gonna make sure that it's perfect and it's working great for you guys. And it has all the things that protects your equity, all the risk management settings that I have on my other bots and stuff like that for the MT5 version. As far as the News Blaster and MT4 version, it's already out. You guys can get started with that. If you get the MT4 version of News Blaster, you're going to get the MT5 version for free that is made to trade futures. This has been an insane Friday with crazy profits. I cannot believe this shit is even happening right now. I just started trading futures literally 3 days ago, guys. Not even kidding. So it's crazy just, you know, seeing what my bots can actually do on futures when it was made for forex and indices. But now that I know, guys, I'm about to go crazy. I'm about to make this a whole series of trading futures, how to trade futures automated using MT5, the first ever to do it. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe for this series. There's more futures content to come. The bots are gonna drop. Everything is gonna go crazy. I swear to you guys, this is a whole nother level of trading that we're about to reach here. So subscribe so you can take this journey on with me and we could grow together, man. Peace out. Thank you for the support. I'm out.